Have you ever been in a conversation where you wished you had the perfect words at the perfect time? Whether it's a business meeting, a social gathering, or even a casual chat, knowing how to talk smartly can change the game. And guess what? It's not about using big words or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about you think, you listen, and you respond. Today, I'm giving you 7 proven techniques backed by science, psychology, and philosophy to help you sound smart and confident in any situation. Stay till the end, because the last one is a game changer. Let's start with a simple but powerful insight. Sounding smart isn't about IQ, it's about perceived intelligence. Research from Princeton University shows that people who articulate well and don't rush their words are seen as more intelligent. Fast talkers can seem nervous, while slow talkers can lose attention. Find a balance. Want to instantly sound smarter? Ask great questions. The ancient Greek philosopher Socrates was famous for his method of asking deep, open-ended questions instead of just making statements. Instead of answering too quickly, try. This makes you look more insightful and engaged. Smart communicators use mirroring, a psychological technique where you subtly match the tone, energy, and body language of the person you're speaking with. Psychologist Dr. John Bargh found that mirroring makes people like and trust you more. Just keep it subtle. Instead of saying, this keeps the conversation open and prevents defensiveness. Nothing captures attention like a well-told story. A Stanford study found that people remember stories 22 times more than facts alone. Instead of saying, studies show exercise improves memory, say, a 2020 study followed 2 groups of students. One exercised, the other didn't. The ones who exercised scored 30% higher on memory tests. That's the power of movement. This makes your point more engaging and memorable. Want to sound more confident and intelligent instantly? Use strategic silence. Instead of rushing to answer, take a breath. Silence creates anticipation and makes people listen more closely. Famous speakers like Barack Obama use pauses to command attention. So can you. Great speakers follow the rule of 3, because our brains process information best in patterns of 3. For example, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Smart, simple, effective. Instead of saying 5 things, break them into 3 powerful ideas for maximum impact. Finally, the smartest way to talk? Confidence. A study from Columbia University found that confidence is more persuasive than expertise. If you don't know something, instead of saying, I'm not sure, say, that's a great question. I'll look into it. Confidence isn't about knowing everything, it's about owning what you do know. Talking smart isn't about big words or pretending to be a genius. It's about 1. Speaking clearly and asking great questions. 2. Using mirroring, storytelling, and silence. 3. Being confident in how you communicate. Try these 9 techniques in your next conversation, and watch how people start seeing you as a brilliant communicator. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more insights on communication and personal growth. See you in the next video.